Welcome to my presentation. My presentation name of my presentation is the role of the agriculture in sustaining our world. First, we can go to what in agriculture. In introduction, agriculture is a perspective of civilization planned and livestock in order to specific begins. Key development. The cultivation of plant and food grains began years ago in need for people living in the society. Agriculture is the main source of life method. It provides crores of people to earn. Most of the population rural area development depend on agriculture as their main source of income. Agriculture contributes significance of country's GDP, gross domestic product. And order, if we talk about agriculture, is a history perspective of agriculture. History perspective of agriculture. First, we can learn, then we can. This is some kind of civilization in past, like civilization Mesopotamia, Egypt, Indians value and we here and previous come 21st centuries their importance of green revolution and first picture we can see the Miami civilization then the 21st century 21st century agriculture revolution we can see here the we can see here the modern technology this is we can use by using modern machinery they can provide more crops in less than and less time and less place. The importance of agriculture like food security, economic contribution, other contribution, including contribution GDP and employment or environmental impact. Don't discuss the environmental change of agriculture such as deforestation, pollution and habit loss, explore of contact of suspension agriculture and it's important in melting negativity environmental impact. So we can say the picture is the vegetable they need to help care and this is the product and the farmer took and this supply the factory and the factory supply the approved. So this is the economics we can grow and GDP is grow up in our country with agriculture. Now challenge and agriculture in now challenge and issues in agriculture. Some of the challenge is climate change. Climate change, soil solution, disaster, the water security, past and disease management. This is the climate change, the main cause. We can see here picture. We can see the picture. The climate change. We can see the picture. The how the ice is melting which is the highest example of climate change and this is the in biotechnology this is the importance of agriculture this can be grow for more kinds of product and seeds they can use in farmers and grow more crops. Now, sustainable agriculture, the principle of sustainable agriculture, they provide example, sustainable farming practice such as crop rotation, cropping, and agroecology. In the this case of the now this is the greenhouse. We can see picture. Greenhouse presented there is a greenhouse. We can see any kinds of we can crops. We can grow any kinds of crops and farming cooperative and preventive agriculture project. This is the farming project, and we also use the we can also collect in agricultural electricity. The wind use the wind to follow the field and this global agriculture and trade. We can hear global agriculture and trade, and we can say the agriculture is the main cause, main of the any kinds of improvement agriculture country. This is the state grammatical question data. We can see the 1990 the photo is production 30 40 and 11 is 100 and 110. This is so much and onion is 20 onions in 20 and 2011 is grow up to 40. This is the main of many kinds of product to in the 1990 and 2011. This is the main grow up and this is the good for any kind and this is the good news to our country. The agriculture is development in our country and agriculture and rural development is also a part of developed country, because most of people in our country is a farmer. So any kind of rural development, agriculture development, so this means the development farmer, and the farmer is our civilization. So any kinds of agriculture development, it also a country development. So provide example like successful development in inheritance, development including subsidies and in reform. You can see the second picture, there is a farmer which they can meeting how to they improve their method to grow epic crops, and they also sharing their knowledge to each another. So this is the good for our farmer, and to how they grow a crops. The future of agriculture. Future of agriculture. This is the most shining future to means, because we are they are science, because we have a intelligent scientists, they can grow a many kind of hybrid sheet of crops. So this is so, and then we see the drone how, and they spray their chemical in the field. So there is a less time and more pellets covered in the same time, and there is a, any kind another project they use in grow crops, and the percentage of crop production. This is the percentage of production. We know the Bangladesh mainly product is rice, so rice is 70%, and another is a 4.365%. This is vegetables is a 4%, fruit 3.86, jute 4 what 5, and potato is a 6%. And we can see their race is 70%. So we can change this figure, because every kind of vegetable to need our need to health. So we can contribute in other vegetable to grow in more and more product. Discuss the need of collaboration between academia also, and we can studies in the abroad, and we can Bangladesh is also agriculture is the most provided subject to this time, and we can also abroad admission and to study there, and also this is the good for our country, because when we can come in country, we are educated person, and we share our and we share our knowledge to farmer, how they are improve their crops, and how they earn a lot of production in their field. So this is the studies is the main cause, because the development of agriculture is that many kinds of dependence in students, and now where he studies. Recommendation and future contribution, we can see here the office specimen recommendation for addressing agricultural challenges, including policy funding, implementation, and education programs. Discuss the importance of indigenous collaboration and global corruption in shaping the future agriculture. This is the picture is example how modern technology is used in farming. This is so easy, because the one machine is work hundreds of workers.